Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play with Mr. P, the new mythic brawler. It is not new actually, but it is the 5th mythic brawler of the game. There are 6 mythic brawlers in the game right now. Mortis, Jean, Tara, Max, Mr. P, Sprout. So now let's move on to friendly games so that I could show you some gadget plays and star power plays as well. So here we go, we are on the list. Let's play some hot zone first with him. Parallel plays map. No, I want to take that Chinatown map. Yeah, this one. Tiny Town. Let's play. So guys, as you can see, there are 3. I don't know what are these called. Sorry. But we have a max power Poco to heal us and a stupid 8-bit. Thanks, nice heal Poco. Why is he not healing us? Nice. So let's see. We are in there. You can see guys, our main attacks can shoot even if they are not there. I mean they can shoot through walls, through anything because of the star power. The star power is OP for this guy. Gives him added range. Let's go and get a super real quick. I need to show you the porter and the gadget as well. So let's stay here. As you can see guys, I got my porter. Let I put this porter over here and let's go in the middle. Let's destroy some of these fools right here. This hot zone is captured. Let's move ahead. I buffed my penguin, as you can see right here. Oh, the Shelly slowed down the 8-bit. This hot zone is also captured. So guys, let's go. Let me protect. My turret will protect me. So see guys, I took that turret as a protection shield as well. So you can do these things with Mr. P as well. You can protect yourself from the turret. You can buff the turret up with the gadget. And with the star power, you get that added range. That added range is OP. No, I died. Oh, no. Let's go on that save right now. Ham. Come here, turret. They will stop us. Oh, how the hell she killed me in 1 hit? What is this Poco doing? Please. They have captured 2 hot zones. Let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. No. 8-bit, go inside. What are you doing? 1% left, guys. Let's go. You see that added range helped me so much in this match. This match is over. The added range. The handle with kill star power. Go P in hot zone. As you can see, there's another star power over here, which is revolving door. The porters respawn 3 seconds faster after being defeated. This one 4 seconds after being defeated, but now 3. So that's also good star power, not very good against the 4 star power. Now let's play some showdown and let's see how this star power does in showdown. Let's play some Victor Valley over here. Let's go with the bots. You can see guys, that added range. Look at this. This added range is OP. It helps Mr. P a lot to win matches, to do anything. Now see, I will hit this 8-bit. Look my range. Oh, just missed. Sorry. But I will not miss Rosa. Why are they coming from all of the sides? Oh, they are fighting. Let's go. Look, the stuff. I killed her. That's what you can do with Mr. P. Let's go with the porter. Where is my porter going? Oh, look at the porter. The porter killed the 8-bit. It's so nice. Let's collect all these power cubes. You see that guys? This added range is OP. Let's play some OP plays with this added range. So there's the 8-bit with my buff turret. Let's go ham in on this 8-bit. I have that extra range. My turret is protecting that side. And I'm this side. I'm going to hit him every single shot of mine, and there he goes. My turret will kill him. So guys, you see, the added range is so OP. Get this star power handled with care. Now I will play some games with revolving door. This star power is also good, but that added range is lost. As you can see guys, there's no more added range because I have taken revolving door star power and the handle with care. So I don't think that revolving door is that OP star power, but it's still fine. Ooh, she almost died. Guys, one thing you should need to remember while playing Mr. P, that you should keep your distance so that you can hit that double shot. Oh my god, I am almost dead. Let's go away. But you can still shoot through walls. That's a nice thing about this. And Mr. P can shoot through walls. So let's go, let's see where is this 8-bit. Oh, I died, sorry. This star power is not good at all. That added range helps us so much. Look, this handle with care. Mr. P's oversteps to play, bounce and burst even if they don't hit a target or obstacle. So nice. Let's play another game with this handle with care star power. Let's play some Siege. Let's play. Let's take some victories in Siege. Look, guys, that added range, it is helping me a lot. So that added range does a lot of work for you. What is this Frank doing there? Move Frank. That added range. Just look, I'm going to use this added range. Oh, no. Let this turret goes over here. Heal up turret. No. Good, see turret, you are doing nice stuff. Kill that. Look this added range. There it goes, the added range. How to play with the added range, it's not that difficult, but you need to keep your distance. Don't go on top of someone. Look, this shot is going to hit. Look, this thing happened with Mr. P. Why is that Jackie? Oh, no. The siege turret is going to be ours. This Frank is going to die. How the hell he survived that? I don't understand. But not anymore. Look this added range. Look. Just see this star power. So OP star power. Let me put my powder in there. Let's heal this powder up. Let's go ham on the siege turret for the double damage. Oh no. Oh, look, that because of that added range, I just hammed on the siege turret. So guys, if you like this video, this is gonna be end for this video. The Mr. P is an OP brawler. Just get his star power, handled with care. So guys, if you like my video, I'll be really happy. Subscribe to my channel. I have only 22 subscribers. Please guys, subscribe to my channel so that I could reach that 1 lakh subscriber mark a day. One day.